In primetime news this evening, police high command hits back at criticisms of police's use of deadly force. Cabinet minister distances himself from SSL building transaction. And families of crash victims disappointed with taxi driver's non-custodial sentence.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Also a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now in the financial week this evening, PIOJ tracking the potential impact of policy changes in the U.S. on Jamaica.
And we'll also have sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking what more can be done to ensure the well-being of people living in bauxite and mining communities.
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.